and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how we can enable AutoSwitch in Free Fire. Imagine running out of bullets mid-fight and fumbling to switch weapons manually. That delay could cost you the match, so in order to fix that, first of all, launch open the Free Fire app on your device, whichever device you are using, whether you are using a mobile or a tablet. Make sure that you're inside the lobby screen of Free Fire, and now from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu from where you'll need to tap on controls. Inside controls, scroll down and look for the auto switch gun option. And now click on right next to it. Once you have this button turned on, you'll be able to switch to the next gun after ammo for the current gun runs out. You can then close the settings menu by tapping the cross icon at the top right corner, and now test the feature in a match to confirm it's working. By enabling auto switch, you'll never be caught off guard when your weapons run dry. This simple setting ensures smoother combat flow, giving you the edge in the fast-paced battles. So that was how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips like this. I'll be back in the next tutorial video. Thank you for watching.